Last week, we were chilling in beautiful Nosara, Costa Rica with our Stoked On Fishing charter. It was our first trip of the year, so we're all jacked to get out of the country and have some fun. Day one was flat out awesome for us, with some quality yellowfin tuna fishing and fantastic weather. Today, we're starting out fishing just a couple of miles off the beach for Wahoo, as the day before got him pretty good, along with some small tuna and Dorado. So we figured why not try inshore before we head offshore again in search of the bigger yellowfin. What's awesome about Costa Rica and fishing Nosara is it's very close to the fishing grounds. So let's giddy up and go fishing. Fast, 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 up top, up top. Yeah! Keep going! Crazy, man,
Yeah, stoked, baby. Stoked on fishing. Stoked.
Stoked On Fishing is brought to you by Okuma Fishing Tackle, a global leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality fishing tackle. Okuma, delivering the ultimate fishing experience. And by Fish Lab Lures, realistic, meticulously crafted, and designed for one purpose, to catch fish. And by Dorado Sportfishing, 85 feet of deck space for fishermen who want to have some fun in the sun and catch some fish. And by Fishing Nosara, Costa Rica's best-kept fishing secret. And by Ricante Hot Sauce, bringing you radical blends of fruits and vegetables from the lands of Costa Rica since 2011. What's your Pura Vida?
Rapalas?
What's that?
You get a true
Spinning?
Oh. Yeah.
He can.
There's a bite.
The hell up top?
We're bit.
We're bit.
Look at it out there on the surface.
Oh my gosh. Somebody grab it. Yep.
He's going. Give it to you. Yeah.
Have you had one out?
No.
Go, Adam, go. Go. Wine.
Go, Adam, go. Wine.
Please stay on. I think so, yes. I think he's on there still. He could be coming right at you.
Maybe.
Yeah, keep going, just keep going.
There's something there. It came off.
Yeah.
Is it off?
Yeah.
I think it was a lot.
Dude, I think that was a...
Well, good morning. This is round 2. Oh, they're going right behind us. I think we just had a Wahoo bite. Yesterday they got a couple Wahoo in this vicinity, and now we just had a bite. Hey! Well, anyways, day 2 going down, and we got some new friendly faces on the boat. We'll introduce them here real soon. Here we go. Game time.
Very smart. I don't want to get bit by a Wahoo.
That was on the purple and black.
It is official, that was a bite, a Wahoo bite. Right on the color line here, basically, it's right where the reef goes. There you go.
In hand.
No pumping. He's got a Wahoo?
Huh?
He's got a...
No, never caught a
Okay, so you just want to wind. Remember, no pumping?
No pumping.
Yes, there you go. Yep, you just wind them, exactly. Nice and easy.
No way. Ed, I don't know why you didn't take this.
Because he's caught in Wahoo before.
Yeah, I caught him in San Diego.
That's right. Well, we're hoping. Yeah, nice and easy. Yes!
Good. Whew, Adam.
Ed, you were just moving over there, weren't you?
Well, I was going to move to the other side, and then, yeah, in hand.
And bang!
Love it.
Dude, they could like that. Is that the purple or the silver?
That one is the silver.
Silver? Okay. They could like these
That's
smaller
the one
ones
that we
too.
just tuned.
Nice, Adam, nice. Kev, what do you think? Wahoo?
I guess.
Adam.
Looks like.
All right, second bite. Our second bite. We're hoping everything goes smooth. We got all of our buddies over here. We got our buddies over here on the wander. Yeah. So do your best. Yeah, next.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. He's not done yet.
Why? Don't. There you go.
There you go. Just like that.
Let's go.
Let me get out of the way, Kev. Sorry. There you go. That's what he does. Okay, get ready. Yep. There you go. There he is.
Nice.
Sick.
Okay. You're fine, Ed, right there. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Come on, buddy.
Nice one.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, just like that. Just like that, sweetheart.
Yeah! That's a way to get the ball started.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Thank you, Ed. Yeah, buddy! Stoked!
Nice job, Carlos.
All right.
Come again.
This place is sick!
Ed, come on over here.
Yeah!
One of those, dog. Nice.
Nice.
Carlos, nice job, buddy. Nice job, Kev. Nice stick. Nice stick. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Bad.
That beer's gonna taste good.
Nice. A beer's coming in here pretty soon.
Yeah. Oh, we're bit. Nice. Who's up? That's it. That's it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Is that on the short bill? Short bill? I think that's short bill. My head. What was that?
I said, get the camera going, dude. I'm not a ham or
It's
anything.
Ed time.
It's Ed time.
Get that rod tip up.
I'm gonna catch a fish here. You watch.
Well, you've been very generous.
Sooner or later.
Letting us all catch our wahoo.
But we are killing it this morning, so
Out of the gate.
I can actually pull on a fish today. 4 bites in 30 minutes. 4 bites in 30 minutes. As soon as I get back in the water, bam.
Yeah. Hot bait. Push over it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, here it comes. It's coming in. Adam.
Oh, it's a tuna. It's a tuna.
It's okay. We want that anyways.
Well, what do? We tried.
It's still a bite. Still a
It's
fish.
a bite, it's a fish.
We're all wahoo.
Next.
I'm next.
Okay, what was that? How far off the beach are we?
About a mile and a half, maybe 2. Yeah. Yeah, it's right there. So, yeah, tuna this close. Who knows?
Yeah.
You never know what you're gonna get.
It's kind of nice not to. Whoa. All right. All right. Yellowfin on the deck.
Yeah, fourth
Yellowfin
fish
on the
in
deck.
half an hour.
Wow, boy, oh boy. Discover's hot. It's hot. Hot.
Get a bite?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You bit?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. There we go, Aunt Lori. Double wind that reel.
Yeah, level one. Yeah, when you get closer.
Oh, it's a level line. Oh, it's not a level
Level
line.
wind it with your finger. Push it to the side, baby. Push it to the side.
Just winding, no pumping.
He's coming quick.
Yeah, it's a
Little one.
little guy.
A
That's a
little one.
wahoo. Hey,
Woohoo!
doesn't
Costa
matter.
Rica.
That's sweet. Okay, here we go. Coming in. Bring it. Right here. Right here. Right on the left. Don't worry. Don't look at me. You start focus in. Come over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. There you do. Great, 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 great.
Woo!
Back up, Lori.
Back up, back up. There you go.
Nice.
You're not messing around.
Woo!
Yeah. Nice job.
Sweet! Oh my God, Costa Rica rocks.
Just open up the big tank. Open up the big tank.
You got a little bit of happens and ain't quick. You gotta do those so fast.
Yeah. Give me one of those, hon.
Woo!
Bam. What some team effort here, man. I tell you, it's hot. Hold on.
Yay! Lori! Stoked!
First day jitters off, second day's hot. Hot.
Yes. Are you talking about the boat or us or?
Fishing is crazy. We can barely take pictures and get the lines back out before we're fit again. It's awesome, man. We're 5 minutes.
That's what's crazy.
5 minutes from the buoy.
Yeah, yeah. That's what's eye-opener. All right, wow, that happened fast, really, really fast. We just wrapped up that Wahoo bite.
It was epic.
Awesome, awesome. Good morning.
So amazing.
Right? Craig Sutton, what's up? We got some Wahoo for you this time. And then we got something for Jimmy Jam.
Jimmy, these non-Wahoo Rapala seem to really catch the Wahoo. Yeah!
Wahoo! All right, done with the Wahoo stuff. We're heading offshore. Marlin, tuna, Dorado, maybe some more Wahoo. Ooh, that's pretty. Halloo. Nicely. Oh! Is it? Yeah, I saw that. Did you? Oh, pre-rigged, very nicely done. Just new?
Yeah.
Pre-rigged with the little thing done.
It's way better. The bait's swimming really good.
It does better.
Yeah. It's very simple.
Instead of going up. I like it. I like to see the little improvements, the little things. Make your job easier.
Yeah.
Oh, porpoise? Porpoise? Are the spinners? We had that epic little Wahoo bite in the morning time. We just finished up with lunch and we're offshore now, just cruising around, and we haven't had much life until now. So we finally found some porpoise. That's kind of what happened yesterday. We found those porpoise and ended up getting some tuna. So we have no idea what's on them, but we'll go check a look. It is absolutely beautiful out, I'll tell you what. Costa Rica, living it up to its name.
A bunch of fish on those birds over there.
Porpoise here. So we've got a pocket of birds here. Ed, what's going on here with these birds?
I really don't know.
But what would you just tell me? What you're sometimes what
I'm
you
all
sometimes
new to
see?
this. I'm all new to this Costa Rica stuff.
Yeah, but at home it's real
little,
similar.
There's little piles of birds sitting here and there. Something happened there. It's just, they're not there just for their health. So something happened a little while ago.
Recently, yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully it comes up again while we're here in the area.
Yeah, that's basically what we did yesterday. Is we followed the porpoise and we followed the birds, and when things got quiet, we just pretty much got quiet ourselves and just hung out just like the birds, and then those fish ended up coming back up again, and then we'd shoot over to them again. So we'll see what goes down, but this is the most porpoise over here. It's the most life we've seen yet offshore. We're still playing our little video game. Is somebody a little tuckered?
Yeah, downstairs. We can take a peek down there. Look.
Well, I'm going to. The nice thing is you can actually take naps on these boats, right?
Oh yeah, you can take naps. There's a little area in the front and a little cuddy in there. So
we'll show you right now.
Yeah.
Nice and comfy. Nice and comfy.
I got a spider climb to get up there.
Yeah. Got the harvester over here. They're catching bait too. It's Captain Alex. The boys. There's Jimmy Jam. They're doing a planer with a little spoon on the back of it. Oh, and I think they got one right now.
Slaying them over here.
Oh, there you go. Yep, he's got him.
All right, we've been trolling for all day long here, and we have finally ran over a sailfish. Andrew here is on his first sailfish ever. Right, Andrew?
Yep, first one. See if we get it in.
Yeah, now we've got the chore of getting it.
Can you get the belt?
Yeah, sure. That out. All right, buddy. Dude, you touched the line?
Yeah, dude, he almost lost that drone.
Oh, buddy, good catch. Whoa, that was a good one. There he is. Now we got him excited. Oh, nice tail walk. Look at that tail walk. That was a freaking. Did you see it, or you just grinded it?
Chris, you seen that? Chris, you can get right over him.
There he is.
Here.
Right here.
Chris, you see where you are? Yeah.
Come on over.
Get like right over him. Yeah.
All right, Andrew. There he is. This thing automatically come back upside down if I dip it in upside down?
No. Okay. Yeah.
But it's waterproof, right?
Yeah.
Whoa! There he is. Oh, beautiful. Oh, here he comes. Smile for the camera, dude. How was that? That was pretty exciting. You're gonna put on a glove. If you're going to be able to hold him, that nose will wreck your hand. So, once he gets a hold of it, grab a glove from somebody so you can, if you want to get a picture, you know, holding him, like, you know, the classic picture.
Yeah, get here in the corner.
You want to get a glove on so you can hold him by the bill? It'll rip your hand off if you don't get a glove.
Hey, buddy.
Smile for the TV show too, buddy. Give a little Stoked On Fishing. Oh yeah, I got him. All right, look at him.
All right, well, this is what happened. We went outside for 4 or 5 hours and gave it our best shot, had all the spread out, and they just weren't biting. We saw some porpoise, saw some birds, they just weren't biting. It's simple as that. So what did we do? We said, you know what? Let's head back to the Wahoo zone inshore and finish out the rest of our day. I think we got an hour or something. We're hoping it's a Wahoo, but we also caught a yellowfin tuna earlier as well. So yeah, it feels solid, huh?
It's solid, yeah. Might be a bucket.
A bucket. That's funny.
What is it? It's not what we thought it was.
Yellowfin snap.
No way. Yeah?
That's my luck today. I get the only 2 tuna on the inside.
Tough luck, right?
It's just tough luck. But, you know, he brings good luck anyway.
He does, he sure does. And good times.
And good
You
times.
even brought your nephew, right?
Yeah, Adam.
All right. Yes.
Right.
Welcome you two, welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Come to the boat. Oh, buddy. Bonita, dude, this is a big old freaking bonita. Hold on, Kevin, what is that?
White tuna.
It's not a bonita.
No.
White tuna. Well then, well then.
If I get a Wahoo, I got the Grand Slam, okay?
You got the white tuna.
Or Grand something.
Danny
Grand
Yellowfin.
Poobah, or maybe, I don't know.
I'm gonna say that's super awesome.
White tuna, there you go. See, it's rad. I just look up, I look up and I see this thing go ding. Oh, you gotta level wind it, hon.
Level one. Push it over to the side. Push it over.
Dorado!
To the side.
All right, well, there you go. So you gotta move it though. You gotta move that line, hon.
Keep pointing. Keep pointing. He's gonna pull it in. Keep pointing. Keep going through the line. Keep pointing. Drop it down. Drop it down to us. Drop it down.
Nice stick. Nice
Nice
stick.
catch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
On the little bait. On the little bait.
Dorado.
You want some of that, hon?
Costa Rica.
Booyah.
Thank you. Nice.
Sweet.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah.
I think it looks like we could be having some Dorado and Wahoo tonight. now.
Dorado and Wahoo.
Yep.
And white tuna.
What'd you say?
And some white tuna.
Good times as friends today. We just didn't come across a lot of fish offshore, but it's always a bonus putting some Wahoo on the deck. As always, I'm saving the best for last. Costa Rica gets epic next week with yellowfin tuna going bonkers and everyone going bendo. Stoked On Fishing is brought to you by Okuma Fishing Tackle, a global leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality fishing tackle. Okuma, delivering the ultimate fishing experience. And by Fish Lab Lures, realistic, meticulously crafted, and designed for one purpose, to catch fish. And by Dorado Sportfishing, 85 feet of deck space for fishermen who want to have some fun in the sun and catch some fish. And by Fishing Nosara, Costa Rica's best-kept fishing secret. And by Ricante Hot Sauce, bringing you radical blends of fruits and vegetables from the lands of Costa Rica since 2011. What's your Pura Vida?